Just a quick overview of the CASIO JL-110. This is not particularly thick calculator compared to some of the ones in my collection, such as the TI-1200, but it is quite large in the other dimensions. Perhaps it was designed to consider people who struggle with their hands, or perhaps it was designed for people who struggle with their eyes, or perhaps they just wanted a larger option. The switch on this particular example is a bit temperamental. You can sort of see if I touch it. It's staying on now, I've said that. But sometimes it flickers on and off with the connection not being so great. Probably just a bit of corrosion in there. Probably needs sanding off. Interesting choice they made here, making the plus button larger than the equals, which is the same size as the other call functions. Not a choice I personally would have made, but a choice that Casio did make.